contributions and sacrifices of African Americans who have helped shape the nation. Black History Month celebrates the rich cultural heritage, triumphs, and adversities that are an inevitable part of our country. It was Carter G. Woodson, the father of Black history, who first set out in 1926 to designate a time to promote and educate people about Black history and culture. He was a historian and the president of the Association for the Study of African American Life and History. Woodson's goal from the very beginning was to make the celebration of Black history in the field of history a serious area of study. The idea eventually grew in acceptance, and by the late 1960s, Black History Week had evolved into what is now known as Black History Month. Thus, let us think of Black History Month the way our nation honors its greatest moments and greatest people. Let us appreciate Black History Month in a similar way as when our government sets aside a month or a day, thereby giving it a special meaning for all Americans. No one should think that Black History Month is confined to the month of February, when evidence to the contrary appears everywhere and in every month. We are Black 12 months a year, and it is up to us to honor our contributions by continuing to make
Well, children, where there is much racket, there must be something out of kilter. I think that twixt the Negroes of the South and the women of the North, all talking about rights, the white men will be in the pictures pretty soon. But what's this here they're all talking about? That man over there says that women need to be helped into carriages and lifted over ditches, and to have the best place everywhere. Nobody ever helps me into carriages, or over mud puddles, or gives me any blessed place. And ain't I a woman? Look at me. Look at my arm. I have plowed and planted and gathered into barns, and no man could have me. And ain't I a woman? I could work as much and eat as much as a man when I could get it. and bear the lash as well. An AI woman. I have born 13 children and seen most of them sold off into slavery. And when I cried out in my mother's grief, none but Jesus heard me. An AI woman. They talk about this thing in the head. What's it called? Intellect. Yes, that's it, honey. But what's that got to do with women's rights or Negroes' rights? If my cup won't hold but a pint and yours can take a report, wouldn't it be fair to give me my half measure full? If the first woman God ever made was strong enough to turn the world upside down, all alone, these women together ought to be able to turn it right back and get it right side up again. And now, that's what they're asking to do. The men better let them. Obliged to you hearing from me. And with that being said, Little Old Sojourner is done.
My people, today I am free. I am free because you've never forgotten. The day is coming when we will all be free. Free from hatred, free from fear, free from killing. You I am. You live to see the day. And if I don't see the day, you better believe it, I'll be there. This is my home, and I'm home to stay.
very old. As you can see, it's made from wood. This wood is not like from the bark of the tree, it's actually a branch. There's very different trees that they have in Africa. This right here is called a hadi. You also have your rope, rims, and the skin that I'm playing on is goat skin. So after y'all get y'all curry goat and everything, they take the skin, put it to the side, and put it on the drum. Now y'all like hip hop and everything too, right? Yeah. All right, can y'all clap it up for me real quick? Look.
Do you see my chains? Probably not. It's just insane how I built this country, but nobody ever wants to say my name. Where I fight for my freedom and simply I'm put to shame. 60% of my people behind bars, 100% of our rights truly aren't ours. This is the story of mass incarceration. The backbone of this nation, the new way of segregation, where black men and women are set a sail and coast upon the crimes, but get put away and simply are doing time. I am innocent, but saying I'm innocent is just a sin because of the skin color I am in. I'm put against myself in the world. I ain't no ordinary girl, but if I speak tonight, I might not go home. I just want freedom. Something so close yet so far. I've been on this spiritual journey, my ancestors yearning for a new day, a new dawn. Something needs to change. The 13th Amendment abolished slavery, but I'm still put in a cage. A box of uncertainty, maybe for an eternity. I gotta break the mold, break the shell of this hardcore, body-shifting, mind-twisting democracy that was just a wall built against me. But yet I rise. Running from the 12 being shot down, but yet I rise. With my damn crown, but yet I rise. Chains broken on the floor, freedom running towards the light. I stride, and yes, I'm able to stand, and I shake, and I break, and I fight. While my back is bruised, my legs are torn. But I won't stop until this journey is won. Change.